po, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Muli po, dito naman po tayo sa ating daily devotion. Sa oras pong ito, ating pong daily devotion sa araw pong ito ay makikita sa 1 Corinthians chapter 15 verses 24 to 26. NIV version. Then the end will come when he hands over the kingdom to the God the Father after he has destroyed all dominion, authority, and power. 25. For he must reign until he has put all his enemies under his feet. 26. The last enemy to be destroyed is death. Question: how far does the reign of Christ extend? So, makikita po natin yan sa verse 25. Sabi po doon, for he must reign until he has put all his enemies under his feet. So, dito po makikita po natin na sinakop na ni Kristo ang kamatayan sa Kalbaryo. Siya po ay namatay, siya ay nilibing at nabuhay sa ikatlong araw. Ang ebidensya ay ang walang laman na libingan. Pinakita ni Kristo ang kanyang kapangyarihan sa kamatayan nang tawagin niyang muli ang mga patay, ngunit ang mga ito ay naibalik lamang upang mamamatay muli. Gayunpaman, sa Kalbaryo ay bumangon si Jesus mula sa libingan, hindi na muling mamamatay. So the day is coming when the joy anticipated will become reality. God will destroy death. A new day will dawn. There will be no more tears, wala nang pag-iiyak, no more death, no more sorrow, no more pain, no more funerals. Ngunit kapag si Kristo ay dumating muli at ilagay ang mga kaaway ng Diyos sa ilalim ng kanyang mga paa, ang lahat ng masasamang gawa na ngayon ay nabahiran ng ating pang-araw-araw na buhay ay magwawakas na po. Jesus Christ is now in the age, putting all his enemies under his feet. Every rule and every authority and every power will be conquered. So remember that the extent of Christ's reign reaches to the smallest and biggest enemy of his glory in our life. It will be defeated. Death is swallowed up in victory. God had given us the victory through Jesus Christ, our Lord. God bless us po.